PLR Content for Pictory. Pictory is a new app. It's basically a replacement for Vidnami because it's vanishing. And it may come back, but I'm really impressed with Pictory. And if you want to use PLR and make videos with your PLR, Pictory is an amazing way of doing it. It's easy. I'll show you how to do it. And it's stunningly amazing. I'm Brian Toder of PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and show you how to make money with PLR. This is the sales page from Pictory itself, and the pricing, standard is $19 a month, premium is $39 a month, which is pretty much in line with Vidnami. However, at the time of making this video, Pictory is on AppSumo, and it starts at $59 for a life. So it's not a monthly deal, it's a lifetime deal. So I'm going to show you inside of Pictory how this works and all of the things that it does. And I'll show you right at the beginning, there are 3 tiers. Tier number 1 is $59, and I recommend getting tier 2. It's a little bit more, but it's probably going to be the best buy for what you need. And it's lifetime. So $119 for a life. And that's what I got. And to get this, just click on the link in the description below this video. Get it, and you have it for life. Now we're inside Pictory. And the nice thing is when you get into the app, immediately this comes up. So there's a guide to guide you through the different elements. And there's 4 really good areas that you can use in your business. And I want to talk about this one right now, script to video walkthrough. So you watch this video and explain the whole thing, and then it will guide you what you want to do. So I'll explain what these others are later on. Script to video is perfect for people who want to use PLR, like articles, blog posts, things like that. So you click on start, and you're going to paste your script into this white box. So I got some PLR from Aaron Chandran, and it's called Success Mindset for Entrepreneurs. I bought it, and I really like it. So part of it is these articles. So let's just pick one of these. How about the Pomodoro technique? And you're just going to use the text. So I'm going to copy this, pop it in here. And what you want to do is take each one of these lines and put a space between it. And this is going to save you a lot of time when you use the app. So I'm going to finish this so you don't have to go through all this, and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Click on proceed. And since it's a video, I'm going to pick 16 by 9. And it's almost done. So on the right side, you see the image or a video that Pictory matched to your text. It's not always perfect, but let's take a look at this. So the most effective way to measure how productive you've been throughout the day is to look back and see what you did regarding your most important tasks. It's actually not bad. Now, also, when you see these logos, the Shutterstock, that's going to vanish once you generated your video. The next one is this one. If you didn't get any of these completed, it's a clean sign. You got distracted and lost focus. Well, let's look around. I could go to visuals. Let's type in tasks. You know, maybe this one might work out. Just click on there. That's all you have to do. Back to the story. Now, I'm not going to make this entire video for this video. I'm just going to use the first couple of slides just to show you how this works, because this is really easy to use. And I'm really impressed. It's almost working as well as Vidnami, and it actually does some other things. For instance, I can move this around anywhere. On Vidnami, you only had the corners, the four corners, the middle, and the sides. This I could put anywhere, which is kind of cool. So instead of hiding all this, I'll put that up there. So let's just do one more. Okay, let's try another visual for that. Overwhelmed. That's not bad. All right. Let's see what happens. So this is the second part. All right, I'm going to finish after that. So I'm going to make a video with just these 6 slides because you don't need this whole thing. And we're going to preview this. Not bad. See, that was pretty easy. And we got that from an article that was PLR. Now, normally I might rewrite the whole thing, but just for this video, it's just a demo. I want to show you how to use this with PLR. You just take your information in Pictory. It breaks it up into these little pieces. And remember when I changed the line breaks? Well, it really helps Pictory to know when that is a break. It makes it really easy for it. Now I can change a theme if I want to, but right now I'm just going to leave this alone. And back to the story, I want to show you another thing. You want to also highlight some of the words and emphasize what they're trying to say. So the most effective way, so you double click on effective and you click on the drop. How productive you've been throughout the day. Let's try that. Next. Look back and see what you did regarding your most important tasks. So I'll make it most important tasks. There you go. See? Okay. So it emphasized what this is about. So let's go to audio. So there's background music. All right. Let's try that. And if you like one, you click on the heart, and now it's one of the favorites. So I'm going to use Groundbreaker. Click apply, and now it's applied to this video. Voiceovers. Now, I would normally upload my own voice. So you click on there, and you drag your audio in there. But let's use a voiceover. Now, Joanna and Matthew, I think, are the two bests. And by the way, they're all English right now. I think they're going to do some other voices in other languages, but right now it's English. So here's Joanna.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
And Matthew.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
It's not bad. So I'm going to use Matthew in this. Now, let's preview this whole thing.
The most effective way to measure how productive you've been throughout the day is to look back and see what you did regarding your most important tasks, MITS. If you didn't get any of these completed, it's a clear sign you got distracted and lost focus. This was something in the late 1980s that university student Francesco Cirillo struggled with. Cirillo found it difficult to complete assignments, and when he was feeling overwhelmed by it all, he asked himself to just commit to just 10 minutes of focused study time followed by short breaks in between.
Now that's not bad. You didn't do a lot of work. It would have taken hours if you did this by yourself. Not bad at all. So what you want to do is generate the video and it's done. So I want to show what these other items are. And the first one is article to video. So let's say you have an article, let's say it's a blog post on your own website, because you don't want to take other people's blogs and information and make a video out of that. That's not fair. But if it's your own video, something you own, you could put the URL in here. For instance, this is one of my websites, and this article, I could take the URL and drop it in here, and it takes my article and it will highlight all of the things it thinks I should use. So you have to go through this, and you click on that and it goes over here. You click over here and it goes over here. You could delete it by just clicking again and it vanishes. So you could just add all of these lines that you want and it puts over here. So when you're done, everything you need in the video is going to be on the right side. So pretend that this is all done. You click next, the ratio, I'll use this one, 16:9, and it makes the storyboard just like the other one. And you're almost done. So you fix the text and make sure that the videos are right, put on the music, the voiceover, change the theme if you want, and you're all done. Next, edit videos with voice using text. Let's say you have a video that's yours and there's a voice over it. You take the video, you drag it to the box, upload it. It makes a transcription of it and it makes a video out of it. You'll edit it and it's done. So in a few minutes, I'll get an email for the edit video with voice using text. It'll send me back to this website and it'll have everything done. I just have to edit it a little bit, make it a little prettier, and it's done. Lastly, visuals to video is, let's say you have logos and items that you can use in your videos. You just have to select what you want to use. Let's say this, open, upload, and it's there. You know, I really love Pictory. I'm really impressed, and some people might not believe this, but I think I like this a lot better than Vidnami. So if you like it, get it. And you get Pictory on AppSumo. It's a lifetime deal, $59. I got the license tier 2, and it's lifetime. Lifetime. You don't have to mess with monthly fees or anything like this. So click on the link below this video, get it before this is gone, and it probably will be soon. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR.